Hello guys, my name is Kiki and welcome to my channel. I've been a crafter for almost 30 years, yeah, I love it. But if you want to learn how to decorate your home on a budget while having fun at it, hit the like, subscribe and stay tuned. Today we have another installment of our series Short and Sweet, and I'm taking this beautiful Christmas tree thingy that you put on the base and I found it in the trash, but I want to make it look more beautiful. So for that I'm going to use the Apple Barrel Fall and Holiday paint set. For the base coat, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Christmas green that comes with the set and I'm going to paint this Christmas tree that you can see over here just to make it pop, because I love that gold thingy color, but I think it needs to pop. It's a little bit dull. I don't know. Let me know what you think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stipple that paint using my paintbrush, and I'm just going to paint it completely like that. Then I'm going to take red apple and I'm going to start painting this ball kind of thingies to look like peppermints. Yes, because you know me, I love my peppermints. And now I'm going to take this beautiful candy cane and I'm going to do the same, just painting the smaller stripes. Then I'm going to take Santa and I'm just going to paint it in red, really beautiful, just like that. And I'm going to paint it completely. After I finish with that, I'm going to take the same red and I'm going to paint this gift that you can see here. And I'm going to paint it completely except for the bow, because we're going to make this bow look beautiful. After I finish with that, I'm going to paint as well this bowl that you can see here, because Santa has that bag full of thingies. Then I'm going to take the Tuscan red and I'm going to paint the bag completely. And I'm going to take my time. Here you can see it all painted. Then I'm going to let that dry, and while that's drying, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my nutmeg brown and I'm going to paint the tree trunk, because yeah, this has to look like a tree trunk for it to look even more cuter. And I painted that nutmeg brown. Then I'm going to take black and I'm going to paint the shadows of the bag so you can see a deep kind of bag, because if you can see the borders, it's not deep enough. So I'm just going to keep on painting it like that, covering all of that to make it look a little bit more deeper. And now I'm going to paint Santa's mittens. I think that's the word for that. And I'm just going to paint it completely, and his boots. Then I'm going to take white and I'm going to paint his beard and all of those white thingies over there, including the ball. And as you can see, I started with the cufflinks. I hope that's the word for that. The fluffy thingies he has on his on his jacket. And I'm just going to paint them like that, just stippling that paint, painting the beard, painting everything. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I would love for you to subscribe and become part of our YouTube family. But if you're a returning subscriber, you know how much I love you. Remember that in the description box down below, you're going to find the links to all of my social media, so you can go and check me out over there. And now for the highlights, shadows, and embellishments. What I'm gonna do is show you what we got, and look at that, it's looking so beautiful. But we need to make this pop a lot more. It's too simple for us. So let's start with black. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a glaze with this black, just using some water. After I dip on the black paint, I dip it in the water and then go back and start painting that glaze. I'm going to glaze all of that bag, and then I'm going to take this beautiful red apple and I'm going to start dry brushing the bag on the raised parts. As you can see, I'm just going on the raised parts like that. Dry brushing all around. After I finish with that dry brushing, I'm going to take some of this beautiful harvest orange and I'm going to dry brush the same spaces, just making sure that I'm not adding too much. And then I'm going to take this beautiful Kelly green and we're going to dry brush our Christmas tree, and this will make that tree look beautiful. So go ahead and dry brush it completely. Then I'm going to add Santa's eyes, because yeah, he needs that. He cannot see us. So I'm going to add 2 dots for his eyes. Then I'm going to take this bright magenta, I think that's the word, and I'm just going to paint his lips. With the same paintbrush and not adding any more paint, I'm going to add his cheeks. as you can see here. And after that, I added a little bit of cream on top of that just to make that beautiful. Now I'm going to take this full card matte paints. And as you can see, we have lots of colors because we are going to make that tree trunk look tree trunky. So I'm just going to use all of those colors and I'm just going to start mixing them like this. Just dipping my paint in one color, brushing it, going to another color, brushing it, and like that, we get that beautiful tree trunk look. Now I'm going to let this dry really well. And while that's drying, I'm going to take this beautiful pure gold and we're going to paint the bow on our presents. So let's paint that bow and make it look beautiful. Then I'm going to take some of this white and add a couple of dots to that thingy that I made over there. And I made it look like gingerbread. Now I'm going to take some of this beautiful Mod Podge gloss and I'm just going to cover this completely to protect our work because we want this to last because it's so beautiful. And I'm just going to cover it completely like that. And after I have covered it completely, I'm going to let this dry really, really well. Now we let it dry. And now for the giveaway, I'm giving away 2 sets of the Apple Barrel paint pens. Check the description box for more info. Now for the final reveal, and here you can see my beautiful tree base, and I'm in love and biased with this one. So let me know what you think in the comments below because yeah, I know I'm always biased, but this one is so beautiful. I just took something from the trash and made it look cute. I just love it. Remember that in the description box down below, you're going to find everything for our giveaway so you can get some beautiful paint pens and start DIYing with those. They are so much fun. I just love them. They are so versatile. So go ahead and check out the description box for the giveaway info. And remember that our short and sweet series, it's not over, but I don't know if I will be able to bring another one of this episodes this year. So if not, I will see you next year with more short and sweet videos. For now, check out that beautiful fall and holiday set from Plaid. You will find it in their website, plaidonline.com. Go and check it out.
And that's it for today. This is everything I have for you. Remember to share this video with a friend because that's a free way to help this girl out. Hit the like and stay tuned because I will be bringing lots of beautiful DIYs so you can keep an eye out on them. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.